Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you about the time I thought I was a real overlanding pro. I showed up to a remote camp spot with my buddy Jake, who was rocking a folding chair duct taped to a cooler. I felt like a king. That was until a dude rolled up in the Bruder EXP-7. His trailer had more buttons than a spaceship and made my setup look like two raccoons built it out of guilt. Before we dig into why the EXP-7 is the James Bond of camper trailers, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more brutally honest reviews and vehicles that make your camping buddies question their life choices. Now, this beast from down under measures 23 feet, 7 meters, long and offers a fusion of Bruder's top-tier builds, the EXP-6 and EXP-8. You've got two versions, the GT with a fixed roof for full insulation, and the PT with an electric pop top that drops the profile when towing. I think that versatility is what makes it so appealing. It's rugged but knows how to clean up nice. Its patented air suspension system features dual monotube remote-canister shocks per wheel. It handles rough terrain smoother than my friend Brian dodging child support. The EXP-7 isn't built for the Arctic like the EXP-8, but it still handles most extreme weather like a champ. It's less hardcore, more I like glamping but might get dirty if I have to. I like the most how it brings a luxury vibe without going full bunker mode. Pricing starts around 160,000 US dollars, 147,000 euros, depending on configuration. Expensive? Sure. But this isn't your average trailer, it's your off-grid penthouse on wheels.